Well, our Friday, after a chilly start, we had a pretty warm afternoon, pretty close to where we should be for this time of the year. We had a mix of clouds and sunshine for us at times. Right now, our Savannah camera looking toward the Talmadge Bridge shows us a clear blue sky for us, and that should be the case as we head towards sunset, which is happening right at 7:30. Now, as far as what we were looking at on our infrared satellite imagery, just a few clouds off into North Georgia and the upstate that will move in through the day tomorrow, but no rain associated with that. For today, we did make it to 72 degrees for us here in Savannah. Several of our inland communities were a little milder and continue to be a little bit milder. Right now, Jessup at 77 degrees, 74 for Pembroke Rincon at 70 degrees at the moment. As far as going into the overnight hours, conditions will stay rather humid with some fog developing. Temperatures will be in the upper 40s to lower 50s toward the coast, and a good supply of sunshine will help us to warm into the lower 80s for those afternoon high temperatures. Now, our Saturday is going to be a mainly dry day. We could have a couple of stray showers developing along the sea breeze, but that's about it. Higher rain chances move in for us on Sunday, and then on Monday, that's when we will be looking at scattered showers and thunderstorms and the potential for severe storms. And since this is going to be a fairly strong front, much colder and drier air will be moving in for St. Patrick's Day and into the middle part of next week. But until then, high pressure is in control at the surface. Do have a frontal boundary off to the north into the Ohio Valley that will swing into the southeast but die out before it makes any difference in our weather forecast locally. But the system that we are watching for the early part of next week is forming in the Pacific Northwest. The trailing front with that will pick up a lot of moisture from the Gulf, making rain and thunderstorms likely throughout the day Monday. There is the potential for strong and severe storms. The main focus of the severe weather risk is going to be a little bit further to our north, but we still do have the potential for damaging wind and isolated tornadoes for us here in the coastal empire and low country. It looks like that may start Monday morning and continue into the early afternoon hours. For our Sunday afternoon and evening hours, a few spotty showers or storms possible. We'll have a southerly breeze with temperatures still in the upper 60s through 10 o'clock Sunday night, and then it's early Monday morning when we will start to see some showers and a few storms move in overnight into early Monday morning, with more of that spreading over the region heading past sunrise or so. We'll still have that strong wind out of the south, so even without severe storms developing, we will have breezy and gusty conditions setting up by the afternoon hours. It looks like that frontal boundary will start to push off the coast. Still some showers behind that boundary, but then once that really does push a little bit further off of the coast, that's when the clouds and the rain chances will start to dissipate from our area. So definitely be aware of the forecast on Monday. For tonight, 49 degrees for the low temperature. Definitely a chilly night with some patchy fog developing. And then for tomorrow, we will have a mostly sunny sky with temperatures warming into the upper 70s to lower 80s. So a very comfortable day to spend it outdoors. For the boaters, not a bad day at all on the waterways. Those winds will be a little bit lighter than what we had for today. Northeasterly, 5 to 10 knots, giving us seas around 3 to 4 feet. So just use a little bit of caution out there on the nearshore waters of Georgia and South Carolina. So shower chances possible for us in the afternoon on Sunday, and then storms are more likely for us Monday, and that severe potential is there. And then as that system clears off of the coast, much colder air moves in for Tuesday morning. So St. Patrick's Day starting out in the 30s, just the 50s for highs, and then even colder for Wednesday morning when we might be dealing with one last freeze here in the southeast.
Okay, I think this will be a much colder St. Patrick's Day compared to years past.
Yeah, the last one that was this cold was back in 2010.
Yes, yeah. I do remember. I remember, yes,
My bones
for sure.
still do. I think, so. Coming up in sports, Savannah State football